Hi, my name is Lawson, and I'm a bicycle crew technician, and I'm taking you on the subject of how to clean your shin basically, with the basic tools and the basic items needed to do the job. Yeah. The basic tools needed to do the shin cleaning. You know the shin scrub, and you know the shin cleaner. These are the basic tools needed to clean your shin. Then you need the wipes. I basically like to use the wipes because I don't like to use rags. Cleaning rags after every cleaning is more like a day job. So I basically use baby wipes. And you also need the CB Bow Shin Cleaner. This is by Pack 2, environmental friendly, very necessary to wipe off the old rusty oils. And you need the oil after you finish cleaning, depending on the weather. If you're on the rainy season, you can use the wet lube. If you're on the dry season, you can use the dry lube, depending on the weather condition. We'll be using this basic bike scrub to do the job. It's very necessary and it's very important if you want to clean your shin perfectly. Take it this way. Off you go. You install your shin. Then you got the BC4, environmental friendly, very necessary, very good because of the days. You put it basically inside this spot. Yeah. And you get the basic wipe because learning this, if you're using a rag, you have to use a lot of effort, but with this, you can always dispose it and it's environmental friendly. So just get two of this. Yeah, this is the basic way. This is the basic way to clean your shin, and you have to make sure you wipe very well before you apply neither the dry loop or the wet loop, depending on the season. So you are done with it and you can apply your oil. Thank you very much for watching.